It's the second week of me trying to be that girl, someone that walks into the room and people automatically perceives her as smart and successful. Not only perceives, she's actually smart and successful. So today I woke up really early around 6 a.m. because I wanted to do a little bit of embedded systems or my course before going to class. I had classes around 8, so I had to wake up early, get ready very early so I can get things done. I studied a lot on embedded systems today. I actually learned I could debug in other ways. In my last video, I talked about how I couldn't use printf, which is the print statement to debug because of my cheap setup. Yeah, but this time around, I found out that there are other ways to debug, such as like stepping, using the debugging interface. That interface is traumatizing. Like there's so much there, a lot. But anyways, we'll get to know it and understand it better as we move on. So that was what I touched majorly today, this morning, is that I was able to like go through other debugging platforms, methods, not platforms, other debugging methods, and I was able to like, at least understand it to a point. And then I had to go to class, of course. I had classes by 8 a.m. I ate classes. I'm so tired of classes, but I have to go. But I don't have to go, but I want to go because I can't stress this semester. I really, really can't stress for real. Anyways, I got ready for class. You can see my feet is still on her. We had a few courses that were interesting, kind of. Yeah, kind of. But like the whole point is just to understand it to a point, do the exam and pass it. I would learn further later, maybe if I'm interested in that path. But I am not at the moment, so I'll just read and pass. I hope my lecturers don't say this. But anyways, that was majorly what I did today. Oh yeah, today is Monday, in case I didn't say it in the start. Today's Monday, so that was the major thing related to my, my journey of being me. Ah yeah, let me say this in French. Je suis allée à l'école aujourd'hui, which literally translates to I went to school today. Yes, 1 week paid off. 1 week paid off. I said that. I actually came up with it myself, kind of thing. Like I gave ChatGPT and it said, "Oh my god, that statement is correct. This statement is correct." I'm becoming a French native. Anyways, okay. See you tomorrow for what I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow yet. I really, really don't know. Still embedded systems, of course, continuing my course because I have to graduate. Get my certificate of completion. And also actually no, it's not just for the certificate. Yeah. It's Tuesday and today I decided to study outside my hostel. I wanted somewhere where I could get rid of distractions, and by distractions I mean my bed. I just can't stop thinking about sleeping. I don't know why, but I suddenly just love sleeping now. So I decided to go somewhere there's no distraction, somewhere I can concentrate and also get access to unlimited data and electricity to charge my devices. I went to Buggy Hub in Ubumosho, which is where I get access to all this. It was actually very nice. It was a conducive environment and there was no distractions. And I covered a lot today. My embedded systems course, I covered a lot of videos going through debugging and even went through microcontrollers, peripheral, and registers and all. It was really productive. It was a really productive day for me. And also, I was given a coupon. Who knew? I was given a coupon because they noticed I was shooting and they gave me a coupon to give to my viewers. So if you're planning to go there as well, you get a discount of 500 naira on your daily plan. Just go there and tell them tech with Deeyah. Yes, tech with Deeyah. Tell them tech with Deeyah and you get a discount of 500 naira on your daily plan. That's one of the perks of knowing me. That's just it. I'm a full package. So that was majorly what I did today, and I was able to, also do a little French. I can't remember what I learned, but I did a little French. So Bye, au revoir. It's day 3 and we are doing full French today. We are focusing fully on French. By we, I mean me. Yes, I am a lot. But I'm focusing on French today and I won't be able to do much during the day because I have a very occupied schedule. But I still have to do at least a little of the things I promised I was going to do. That is discipline. So I am focusing on French today since I have been focused on embedded systems the past days and I have not really focused too much on French. So I'll be studying French today, perfecting my tenses, passé composé, imparfait, future simple, 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 future simple. I don't know. And stuff like that so I can properly write the grammar. The issue is not even writing, it's listening. I can't hear anything French speakers say, but I know one day I'm going to get there. But for now, we're going to focus on actually writing and constructing sentences. This week for my Becoming R series has been very productive. It has been a big leap for me. So I've been able to do a lot of things and, you know, become better. So this is a sign for you that you can always learn something new. You can always try something new. You don't have to stick to that career path if it's not entertaining or that's entertaining. If it's not giving you the joy anymore, you can always switch up and try something new. Explore. There's so much to do in this world.